Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008. This car comes with a lovely specification. It is the GT line and it does come with an automatic gearbox. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, along with wireless charge plates for compatible smartphones, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking aids, and that does include a rear colour camera, and you've also got cruise control with a speed limiter and automatic lights and wipers. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. Here at Howard's, we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment, using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer a traditional appointment where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.